Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful living room interior designs and 10 best beautiful living room design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of coming home to a dull and uninviting living room? Do you dream of having a beautiful and luxurious space to entertain your guests and relax with your family? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a beautiful living room that will make your home the envy of your neighbors. A beautiful living room design is more than just aesthetics, it is about creating a space that is functional, comfortable, and reflects your personality. Whether you prefer a traditional, modern, or eclectic style, there are some key elements that you should consider when designing your living room. Firstly, think about the layout of your room. Consider the size and shape of your space and choose furniture that complements it. Make sure that there is enough space for people to move around comfortably and that the seating arrangements encourage conversation. Secondly, pay attention to lighting. The right lighting can transform the mood and atmosphere of your living room. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a layered effect that adds depth and interest to your space. Thirdly, choose a color scheme that reflects your style and personality. Whether you opt for a neutral palette or bold pops of color, make sure that the colors you choose are cohesive and complement each other. Fourthly, add texture and pattern to your space. Use rugs, throw pillows, curtains, and other accessories to add interest and depth to your living room. Now that you have the basics down, let's dive into some specific tips on how to make your living room beautiful and elegant. 1. Use statement lighting fixtures, such as chandeliers or oversized pendant lights, to add drama and elegance to your living room. 2. Create a focal point, such as a fireplace or a piece of art, to draw the eye and add interest to your space. 3. Mix and match different furniture styles and materials to create a layered and eclectic look. 4. Use metallic accents, such as gold or silver, to add glamour and sophistication to your living room. 5. Incorporate natural materials, such as wood or stone, to add warmth and texture to your space. 6. Add a touch of luxury with velvet or silk upholstery, which adds both texture and a hint of glamour. 7. Use mirrors to reflect light and make your living room feel more spacious and airy. 8. Add plants and greenery to bring life and freshness to your space. 9. Choose a statement rug to anchor your space and add interest and texture to your floor. 10. Use statement pieces, such as a sculptural coffee table or a bold piece of art, to add personality and interest to your living room. By following these tips, you can create a beautiful living room that is both functional and stylish. Remember, the key is to choose elements that reflect your personality and style. A beautiful living room design is about creating a space that is comfortable, functional, and reflects your personality. By paying attention to layout, lighting, color, texture, and accessories, you can create a space that is both beautiful and elegant. Follow these tips and let your living room become the envy of your guests. As a final note, keep in mind that creating a beautiful living room design is not just about following trends or copying what you see in magazines or online. Your living room should be a reflection of your unique style and personality. Don't be afraid to take risks, experiment with different textures and colors, and mix and match styles to create a space that is truly your own. With these tips and ideas, you can create a living room that is not only beautiful, but also functional and inviting. So what are you waiting for? Start designing your dream living room today and enjoy a space that you'll love spending time in. Remember, the key to a successful living room design is to make sure that it reflects your personality and style. By following these tips and ideas, you can create a space that is both beautiful and functional. So, take your time, explore different options, and experiment with different elements until you find the perfect balance that works for you. With a little bit of creativity and imagination, you can transform your living room into a beautiful and elegant space that you'll be proud to call your own. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful living room interior design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.